Welcome back to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube, where we're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. In this episode, we're going to go ahead and jump into the Lamborghini Centenario. This bad boy actually came out in 2016 and was on the cover of Forza Horizon 3. What we're going to do is take this factory fresh one, we're going to rip it, drift it, and then you're going to get to see my customized version, the one you saw in the thumbnail. We're going to rip that one and drift that one too. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump into this car. It's sexy, as you could tell, but let's see what it do. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's go ahead and jump into my design of the Lamborghini Centenario. As you can see, I actually made it gray. I carboned out some of the areas to make it look more unique. I also threw some different wheels on there. I gave it some white accents as opposed to the orange ones on the stock car. I also blacked out those vent inlets right on the hood, as you can see there. I feel like it makes the car look more menacing. But you know what? Enough of that. You can see this car is sexy. Let's go ahead, jump into this one, and see what it do. Thank you for making it this far in the video. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. along with the notification bell. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of my design, what your dream car is. Huge shout out to Microsoft, Take 10 Studios, and Playground Games for making the best driving game out right now. I definitely can't wait till Horizon 5 comes out. And as you can see there, we got the music credit, Bomb Music. Check the info below.